Therapy is a team sport. It is not a spectator sport in the sense that I don't show up, tell you things. Like, again, that's a misconception that sometimes people have in therapy. And sometimes, again, unfortunately, it's reinforced by a therapist who's not really practicing the art well. So one way to do that is literally being able to say, here's how I sort of described everything, but I'd like from you, because here's what they don't want to do. And I encourage you not to expect this from a therapist. Tell me what to do. What's the right answer? Should I break up with them? Right? Therapist is not going to give us that because they really shouldn't. That's not like their place to give us right or wrong, do this, don't do that. They don't really want that kind of pressure, to be honest. But the thing that we can expect from them is like, even if you use this kind of script, I've used this with my own therapist, it's like, well, based on your perspective and your experience, what tools can I use to think about this different? Asking for tools specifically. Because a lot of the things in therapy, like DBT in particular, have specific tools. And if I ask for them, it'll just jog their memory that I'm expecting them. Because remember, on the other side of things for therapists is that they don't want to sit you down and feel like you're like in 4th grade and like doing homework. Like, come on, I told you last week to practice your cognitive whatever, right? It's just like, if you're not looking for that. So an important thing is for me to be able to say, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a tool or a skill set. That's one thing I can ask for. The second one is, what kind of modality are you like applying here? Is this teach me, right? Because the greatest goal of therapy is that you don't need the therapist anymore. That's what the therapists are trying to do, trying to give you enough empowered self-skill, analysis, and perspective to be able to handle this going forward. Off you go.